Hello, dear students. Today we're going to speak about nerves and hormones. Let's start. Sensitivity. Responding to stimuli. All living organisms must be able to detect changes in their environment and respond appropriately. Changes in the environment are called stimuli. A stimulus may be in either the external environment or the internal environment. Sensitivity, the ability to respond appropriately to stimuli, is one of the features of life. Each organism has its own specific type of sensitivity that improves its chances of survival. A single-celled amoeba, for example, can move away from a harmful stimulus such as very bright light and move towards a favorable stimulus such as food molecules, but it can only distinguish between a limited number of different stimuli. In an amoeba, the detection of the stimulus and the response to the stimulus must both take place in a single cell. However, in large multicellular animals such as mammals, stimuli are detected in sense organs, and organs that respond are called effectors. The sense organs and effectors may be in quite different parts of the body. In addition, responses usually involve the coordinated actions of many different parts of the body. To achieve this coordination, one part of the body must be able to pass information to another part. In mammals, there are two major systems that convey information: the nervous system and the endocrine system. The nervous system. Nervous systems range from the simple nerve nets of jellyfish and sea anemones, which have no brain and relatively few interconnections, to the nervous system of humans with brains of staggering complexity. The human brain contains many millions of cells, each of which may communicate with thousands of other nerve cells. Their interconnections form circuits which enable us to control our muscles, think, remember, and even study our own brains. All the various animal nervous systems are fast-acting communication systems containing nerve cells, neurons, which convey information in the form of nerve impulses. Neurons take various forms, but each has a cell body containing a nucleus and nerve fibers, long extensions that transmit nerve impulses rapidly from one part of the body to another. Fibers carrying impulses away from the cell body are called axons. Those carrying impulses towards the cell body are called dendrons. Apart from the main nerve fiber, there may be small dendrons extending from the cell body. In mammals, sensory neurons carry messages from peripheral sense organs to central nervous system, consisting of the brain and spinal cord. The central nervous system acts as an integration center and processes information from many sources. Motor neurons convey instructions from the central nervous system to effector organs. A mammalian motor neuron can convey information rapidly over considerable distances. For example, a single nerve impulse may be transmitted from the spinal cord to the feet in a few milliseconds. These fast-conducting neurons are enclosed along most of their lengths by a thick insulating material called the myelin sheath. The myelin sheath is produced by special supporting cells called Schwann cells. The sheath is essentially a series of cell membranes, each produced by a Schwann cell and wrapped many times around the axon. Gaps between the membranes of each Schwann cell, called the nodes of Ranvier, are the key to the fast transmission of nerve impulses. Fast transmission enables mammals to respond almost instantaneously to stimuli. Nerve impulses can be directed along the nerve fibers to specific points in the body so that responses can be very localized. The endocrine system. Typically, the nervous system is adapted to convey messages rapidly between specific locations so that quick responses can be made. In contrast, the endocrine system is adapted to carry information from one source to many destinations to bring about long-lasting responses. The endocrine system consists of a number of glands that secrete hormones. The glands of the endocrine system are called endocrine glands or ductless glands because they secrete their hormones directly into the bloodstream. Once inside the blood vessel, a hormone is carried in the bloodstream so that it can reach almost any cell in the body. However, each hormone has its own target cells on which it acts. Therefore, although all the hormones are transported together in the bloodstream, each has its own specific effect on the body. In some cases, a target cell has specific receptor molecules on its cell surface membrane which bind the hormone molecule. Once bound onto the membrane, the hormone brings about its response. Endocrine glands occur at strategic points around the body. Their hormones regulate a wide range of activities, including blood glucose concentration, gastric secretion, heart rate, metabolism, growth rate, reproduction, and water balance. That is the end of our video session. Next time we're going to speak about setting up a nerve impulse. Thank you for watching.